Last class you have learned male and female gametes, fertilization, internal and external fertilization. In this class we will see puberty, adolescence and changes happening in male and female at puberty stage. Let's see puberty. When a child is small, sometimes it becomes very difficult to differentiate from their appearance, whether it is a boy or girl. This is because small boys and girls have the same body shape. After some time, we can see the body changes. Early teenage, they appear different and also behave differently. These changes start earlier in girls than in boys. We call the time between childhood and adulthood is known as adolescence. The production of sex hormones bring the changes in their bodies. Ultimately, the boys and girls become sexually mature and their reproductive systems start functioning. The age at which sex hormones begin to be produced and boy and girl become sexually mature is called puberty. Boys reach puberty at the age of 13 to 14 years. Like this, girls reach puberty at the age of 10 to 12 years. Male gonads called testes produce male gamete called sperm, and also it produces sex hormone called testosterone. Female gonads called ovary produces eggs. Ovaries also produce sex hormones called estrogen and progesterone. The sex hormones play an important role in the process of reproduction because they make the reproductive organs to mature and start functioning. Puberty is the age at which the reproductive organs reach maturity and development of secondary sexual characteristics. Let's see what are the changes occur in boys at puberty stage. First one is hair growth under armpits and in pubic regions. Pubic means genital area between the thighs. We can see hair growth on other body parts like chest and face. Due to the development of muscles, body becomes more muscular growth. The voice deepens or cracks, chest and shoulder broaden. The penis and testes become larger. The testes start to make sperms. Feelings and sexual drives associated with adulthood begin to develop. All these changes in boys brought by male sex hormone testosterone secreted in testes. Let's see the changes happening in girls at puberty stage. Here also hair growth under armpits and pubic region same as in boys. Mammary glands develop and enlarge. The hips broaden. Extra fat is deposited in various parts of the body like hips and thighs. Fallopian tubes, uterus and vagina enlarge. Then ovaries start to release eggs. Menstruation, that is monthly periods start. Feeling and sexual drives associated with adulthood begin to develop. All these changes in girl are brought by the female sex hormones called estrogen and progesterone. Here, estrogen is responsible for secondary sexual characteristics in females. Then, progesterone mainly responsible for maintenance of pregnancy. Another one hormone is that is relaxin. It relaxes the pelvic muscles at the time of childbirth.